guys, welcome back to Vodafone Young Coders channel. Today we are going to learn a very nice virus that in fact this virus will delete all your registry files that makes your computer um, suddenly very useless. You cannot use your computer when these files are missing. That's the registry file, so you need to be very careful. This virus is also very dangerous, very dangerous. So you need to be very careful with this virus. So the other day we were able to come across with this drive wiper that wipes out the drivers, and it's danger also. So today we're going to before we start, we need to keep all this file in a folder because it is getting up our desktop. So create a folder and then name it dangerous viruses, and then uh, we'll keep all our files including the converter file in this folder. Then we'll be able to make it very large so that you can see it better. Okay, so I think I'm getting some messages here. Oh, cool. Okay, so these are the files that the files take off start and delete all the registry files of your computer that your computer will run completely useless. So you need to be very careful of this. And let me show you the registry files. In fact, the computer stands on it to function very well, so you need to be careful. So right click before, let me show you how shortly. Right click here, click on task manager, and then you come to services, click on services, and then you rush down here, you see down here, you see open services, click on open services, you see all the registry files. It is opening into very patient. But some of these are also the registry service, but I want to show you all the registry services that are running. Yeah, so this is it. These are the registry services. Let me open very well. So these are the registry services, all the Windows update, everything, the Windows firewall. So if you open this file, in fact all this will be deleted. The DH, almost everything will be deleted. How the backgrounds and everything deleted from your computer. So you need to be very careful on this. Close this, and then we need to save this file. So Windows plus R, open my notepad and my new notepad file, and then I'll copy all this file, Control plus A, Control plus C, Control plus V here, and then I'll save it as every day. To tell you the extension should be the .bat file. Now I'm saving it inside my dangerous virus folder. Save it. So the save as type should be all files, and then here should be, I'll name it delete underscore registry underscore files dot b8. That's the extension. The save as type should be all files. So click on save. So that's it, and then we open our dangerous folder. You see it here. What is it? Okay, yeah, it's say every day to tell you guys to be very careful of these kinds of files. And see, if I even upon it, you can see the extension as a batch file. So we're going to convert it and make it .exe file so that it will be something that is not all that dangerous to other users, so that it will convince them that, oh, this file is .exe file, so I need not to worry. And if you make it a .exe file, you cannot right click and come to edit, and no, you can't do that in that way. So open my converter quickly, and then in fact I'll be leaving the files and this converter folder inside the description. So in case of any problem, you can get the files from there. So I'll open my computer. That's the first one, and then um, when it opens, I'll come and select this file inside the folder, that the dangerous folder, virus folder. So I'll quickly come to this browse section and look for, come to desktop. The desktop is folder is dangerous viruses, and then the file is this delete registry files. So I'll open it and then leave the save as type the same way. And then every day I used to change my icon because so I'll be using only one icon every day because I'm not having icons on my PC. No worry. It'll be okay. Then compile it. In fact, I've been telling you to be very careful with viruses. This virus is very dangerous. So exit it. Then you can close this and then the mouse. So you close that person, we come back here and then we see that's a file. So we should not open it. No. I'll urge you not to open this file because it's very dangerous. So that's it for the video. See you in the next video, but please need to comment for any mind-boggling issues and give me a thumbs up if you're interested in more. So see you next